Hi guys, this is our presentation. We are Group 3, 11 STEM Tenacity, and our topic is about problem solving involving trigonometric equation. So what is trigonometric equation? A trigonometric equation is any equation that contains trigonometric function that involves one or more of the six function signs: cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. Some trigonometric equation like x equals cos x can be solved only numerically through successive approximation.
Search goes on in Quezon City for the man known as the trigonometric killer. The killer has already murdered 3. Each one were found in their respective houses. The police have been heavily patrolling the area and advising people to be at home before the night comes. Various equations were found carved on the skins of the victims, garnering the title the trigonometric killer.
You are police inspector, I suppose.
Yes, I am. What brings you here? How can I help you?
I can help you with solving this crime.
How am I supposed to believe that?
I am also a forensic expert and an investigator before I became a mathematician. I like solving problems, puzzles, clues, and related matter.
Well, let me remind you then. I will not be accountable with your life if there's something's happened to you because of your curiosity and interest. But it's up to you.
Yes, don't worry, I can handle myself. Since it is a puzzling crime, this case may be referred to some detectives. The police dogs might help to solve this problem too.
Alright, let me take this investigation immediately. Let me know what I can do to this matter.
As you can see, the serial killer uses his own pattern of killings. Didn't you notice that on the victim's body?
Now that I'm thinking about it, I get it.
It's like a barcode. Every barcode has its own meaning. Maybe let's check the other victims.
The serial killer must be an expert. He leaves no fingerprint and no weapons. It could be that he knows his every victim.
Based on the clues that we have from the body's victim, I think it is an equation that we usually use in solving trigonometric equations.
Really?
Yes, as we can see in the first body, in this case, we might solve for sine theta. And once we get sine theta, we'll solve for the rest. So, we divided both sides by 2 to give sine theta 1/2. And since sine is positive, our angle should be in first or second quadrant.
How about the second clue from the other body?
That shows that the reference angle gives sine equals variable of r close and open parenthesis equals 1/2. And r is the inverse sine of a half, which equals to 30. That means theta is either equals r or 180 minus r, so theta is equals to 150.
Now, we need to check these answers are in our domain, which is the third clue from the last body. And yeah, we're right.
We would have to consider a second rotation around the unit circle, so our answers would be 30 and 150, as well as 390 and 510, because sine 390 and sine 510 also equal a half. I generally do these without a domain in mind and fix it at the end, but you might want to be a bit more prepared. In any case, that's one type of trig equation you might get asked, so excellent job.
So what is the main answer of this equation? Wait, that is really seems familiar. Like I already saw that before.
Really? Remember it carefully. It will help us a lot to capture the suspect.
Aha! I knew it! That is the same with the witness tattoo.
Are you sure about that?
Breaking news: a huge break in the cold case of a trigonometric killer who terrorized the city of Quezon. Police say they now have the killer in custody after hiring a mathematician to solve the equations found in the victims' bodies, hoping it would lead to the suspect. Each had a different equation called a trigonometric equation, which was then solved. The answers together were apparently found on the suspect's tattoo. He was found yesterday at his house at 7:48 p.m. The people of Quezon were relieved this morning as the killer has known to kill 3 people in the safety of their homes.